Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein milk powder. First, gather your core ingredients. A base like dry milk powder, your chosen protein source such as whey or casein, and any flavorings. Making your own powder is a fantastic way to control ingredients and save money. Ensure you have a good quality blender or food processor ready for the next steps. Now, let's get blending. Carefully measure out all your dry ingredients, ensuring accuracy for the best results. Add them to your blender or food processor gradually, starting with the larger volumes. Pulse and blend the mixture until it transforms into a very fine, uniform powder. This ensures easy mixing later when you prepare your shakes. After blending, it's crucial to ensure your powder is completely dry. Spread the mixture thinly on a baking sheet and let it air dry for several hours, or use a dehydrator on a low setting. This step prevents clumping and extends shelf life. Once fully dry, transfer your homemade protein powder to an airtight container, keeping it in a cool, dark place. Your homemade protein powder is now ready to use. Add it to your morning smoothies, mix it with water or milk for a quick shake, or even incorporate it into your favorite baking recipes for an extra protein boost. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavorings like cocoa powder, vanilla extract, or even freeze-dried fruit powders to customize your blend. For more great deals, including a link to some amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.